Welcome back to another Forex video. So honestly, we're still in buy trade for the XAU USD. I'm surprised we haven't taken profit or been stopped out. The goal was to complete this task of reaching 10% in about a month's term, and it's looking like more like 3 weeks to 3 months term. Nevertheless, we will continue and look for better ways to trade this pair. Right now I'm using a 1200 gap size for the XAU and 100 to 20% closure, and also an 80% downward lot size trading strategy. Trading every day from 10 to 12. Now, if we can stay above this current trend, then we should come out on top with a sizable profit. There are no guarantees. The market can do anything it pleases. So we're going to keep this one short and come back with a better strategy, a quicker strategy. Rather a strategy that can draw down less and profit more. At this current rate, where drawdown is 4%, 3.5%, and the profit factor is 1.5%. We can do better. So that's the end of the video. Signing out, and we'll see you next week with updates.